Oh, this is priceless.
Miley's not even doing anything. She's just kind of hanging
I think
on.
she thinks she's doing something, though. It's always a skunk. Jethro, you're so mean. You like drop your in and then like sneak in and.
Yep. He's stealthy.
Go get the skunk, Miley. Go get it.
Jethro, don't eat it.
She looks eyeball-lit.